the destination. Rod kerov chacherem danum ganum amim kanum. Yev kishere yev tzereka asotar yekrum. Yechanak chankarum ganum ganum. Yev kishere yev tzereka asotar yekrum. Getting closer. Yes. Got to my spot. It's just so nice, so nice. It's a tough hike. I always come under this rock. It's nice and shady after that very hot hike. So a little chilly, I guess. I should put on my socks. I am ready and excited to cook and eat. So what I have here is my stove. So you open it, oops, you open it like this. Fire. I packed some anchovies because anchovies are very salty. That way I don't have to pack salt and other, you know, flavors, because it's plenty flavorful. This is a little this way, but that's okay. It will do. So gonna toss the olive oil from anchovies in there for now. Put this away. I have never used this knife before, so I am going to see how it works. Ooh, look at that. That cuts very nicely. I was worried for a second because, yeah, I've never used this knife before. I bought it a while ago, got my name engraved on it, but haven't used it. The tomato is from my garden. Okay, and anchovies. I can't believe I made this entire hike and forgot my phone in the car like an idiot. So it's very challenging to shoot the right way. It's really good. It goes together. I will enjoy this because I'm starving, and then I'll start making the coffee. Damn it. I barely packed any food, but that was a pretty good dish. Whoa. I hope I don't go like a hero. Smells incredible. Yes. Oh yes. Thank you guys for joining. I'm gonna just make my way down and head out. It's so pretty. I'll see you next Saturday.